Good afternoon, this is Captain Pete Colton with MarineMax Miami and Grady-White boats. Today we're on board the 271 Canyon. It's a 27-foot center console. It has a 9-foot 6-inch beam. This boat's a beautiful boat. It's great for Biscayne Bay and it's great for offshore fishing in Miami. You have about a 24-inch draft, so you still could get close into the sandbars, but you can still go offshore and be very comfortable. This boat's pre-rigged with a Garmin 12-inch XSV chart plotter. Also a Garmin VHF radio. It comes standard with the Fusion stereo system. Lots of room up here to add another one. If you wanted to add radar, you could have another 12-inch screen here. Coming to the back, you have Grady's standard fold-up and drop-down seat, so it gives you plenty of room at the stern. You have a great fish box. Huge fish box. It's totally insulated, so you could use it as a cooler or a fish box. Everything on a Grady-White drains directly overboard. This boat has 2 live wells. You have a 42-gallon live well here and another 32-gallon live well back here on the leaning post. You have a dry sink, but it also has a sprayer, clean your fish off, clean the blood out of the boat. Also another one back here to wash the sand off the kids' feet when they come off the beach. This boat comes with lockable rod storage on both sides, both port and starboard sides, so you can leave your poles secure. Inside the cabin, you have a nice little head with a macerator pump, so if you're offshore, you could pump your sewage overboard, or you could have it pumped out at the marina. Moving forward on this boat, you have 2 great bench seats, and as an option on here, we have the casting platform. This is a removable platform, so you can either use it to stand up here and fish, or you can take it out to have access to the bow if you would like. Also, Grady-White has the foldable backrests, so you can keep them back when you want it out of the way if you want to get through, or if you want to lounge, you can put them forward and easily lounge out. If you have any questions about Grady-White in general, or this boat specifically, please call me at 305-389-4946. Thank you.